Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a real quick look here at the brand new 2024 Sunseeker Classic 2440DS Class C motorhome here. I did a longer, more detailed tour on this one for 2023. We're just going to do a quick update here just to kind of show you what the new 24 look is. Not a huge amount of changes physically, but mostly cosmetic stuff as far as graphics and some colors and stuff. So stepping up into the new 2024 Sunseeker here. As you've seen on the floor plan, that was up. This is a 2 slide out rear bathroom setup. So let's actually get started back here in the back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So back here again, rear bathroom setup. You're going to have a step-in shower. There's a skylight up above, ABS tub surround, glass enclosure. Nice size little sink area, medicine cabinet area here. And you have a vent up there. There is AC and heat ducts both in here as well. You have some cabinet and drawer space here for your towels and linens and stuff. Motion light down there. Porcelain foot flush toilet. But overall, a pretty decent size for a small Class C motorhome like this. You got a 12-volt TV here at the foot of the bed, slide-out button control, AC control, some light switches here. And then part of your slide-out is going to be this bed area right here. You have some overhead cabinet space and shelf space. Window back there opens. Now you do kind of step down from the bedroom into the kitchen area. But here also at the foot of the bed is a pretty large hanging closet area here with a little bit of shelf space up above. There is another vent up here as well. You have a pull-across curtain here for privacy, so in case you have some guests go with you. This was ordered with the theater seat feature. You got USB charger ports there, cup holders, little tables and stuff. Some overhead space up above there as well. And over here, you're going to have kind of a little pantry area. A little pull-out basket set up there. Propane leak detector down below. On the side of the bed there, you got your electric box with some breakers and fuses, a little pull-out drawer, electric outlet, USB charger ports. You have the Furrion 12-volt refrigerator, convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, some drawer and storage space down below your cabinet area here. High-rise sprayer faucet, large undermount sink, and you have, again, some more overhead cabinet space here. They did build in a little shelf area in there as well. Magnetic catches on your cabinet doors there. Currently using a GE ducted air conditioner system. Got a big skylight up above. Does have one of those pull-across blinds there to shade everything. Large turbo exhaust fan up there as well. Over here, you're going to have some controls. So one of your slide controls here. Gas, electric, water heater button. Arctic pack for cold weather camping. Light switch, generator start stop button, and your monitor panel for your holding tanks. Electric outlet and some space up there. TV hookups over here as well for the cable and TV antenna booster. Little dimmer switch for some of your lighting there. You have a 40-inch 12-volt TV over here. Also have the Gateway Connect by Winegard already built in here. It's normally either not available or an option you got to put in aftermarket on a lot of RVs. But that would allow you to subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon or somebody and actually be able to bring Wi-Fi with you on your motorhome. Now there's a ladder that goes right here. It's obviously right over there. And this part also comes up, so when you were traveling, you could throw that up out of the way if you want to give yourself a little more headroom. But again, if you got guests or just want more storage, you can pile them up there. There's also some little cubbies here, USB charger port in there as well. That window opens, and also the other window over there opens as well. Now, you could get the standard seats here, or you can get swivel seats that'll actually rotate and allow you to basically have extra seating in here as well. You can see the large Sony screen here, traditional Ford area for your dash and everything here as well. Also has a backup camera mirror system right there that will show you a left and right turn camera, and also a rear camera as well. All right, let's step outside here real quick, show you around the outside. So just real fast right here, you have battery compartment for a couple house batteries right there. You have battery disconnect, motion light, on in and out buttons, some more light switches. This was ordered with auto level jacks. You got the auto level jack controls, solar charge controller stuff there as well. Now you can also order these with exterior paint jobs. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting. You also have that manual override. There is also 2 outdoor JBL speakers here, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. You got a little storage compartment there, propane area as well to fill up your propane. Furnace exhaust out right here. It is a dual rear wheel setup. You have a pretty large pass-through storage area going all the way across the back side there. And then right here, you have your water pump and easy access for winterization here. You have a thing here to air up the airbag. There's an airbag on this rear axle here and one on the other side as well. There's prepping for portable stow and go ladder right there that you could add aftermarket if you want. You do have a towing hitch here on the back, and it has a propane hookup back here so you could plug in a portable grill. You can also see up there in the top center below that center running light, that is a rear camera right there. Security light over here on this corner. The unit has, again, 2 slide outs, and it has 2 slide out awning covers over it as well, which basically helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. You have deep tint safety glass windows. The other side of the storage compartment back there. And then right here you have your dump area, city water inlet, black tank flush, outside utility shower, and you air up the other airbag from this side as well. Now you can kind of see down here the auto level jacks on the back, and then 2 more toward the front. This again was ordered with that nice option. You have 30 amp electric service on the RV. Just above that power cord is also your cable inlet. It is a gasoline engine. You fill that up right behind the wheel there. You do have a couple storage areas down below, and then one right here, which is not a lot of storage because it's got that theater seat feature in it, but there's a little bit of room to stash some stuff here as well. Now right here you can see the side camera that goes down the driver's side here, and then right here you're going to have your generator, 4,500 watt power generator, powered by Yamaha. It's the NPS 4500 series. Nice old generator. You got a start stop button here. You have another one on the inside. This was ordered with the aluminum style running boards. It is on the E450 chassis. Now just kind of looking in here real quick. Right down there, you got a little emergency start, kind of connects the house and engine batteries together so that you can start it in case the engine battery goes dead. Little cubbies in here. You got power windows, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power door locks, tilt steering. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Again, if you are more interested, please feel free to bounce over and check out the 2023 video that I did. I'll put a link in the comments down below, so you could check that out as well, or in the description down below. Thanks again.